Hi there, my name is Felicia Zeidman. I'm an attorney with NPZ Law Group PC. We're a firm in New Jersey, Ridgewood, New Jersey, with offices in New York and in some other spots in the world. We're a full-service firm, and one of the areas that we focus on is what's called removal. And today, this News and Views update is going to be about the Notice to Appear, which is a document that's issued to people who have been pinpointed by the government as subjects who should be removed from the United States. It's a very serious thing when you get a document like this. So I just want to go over the mechanics of the actual 3 to 4 page document and tell you a little bit about what's inside of it. So that if you or a loved one are looking at one of these documents right now, you might be able to make a little better sense of it. A Notice to Appear states a number of factors about an individual, and then the reason that their stay in the United States is no longer permitted. Oftentimes, the section where there is a statement of fact, such as where the person is actually a citizen and national of, when they came to the United States, how they came to the United States, will be stated in what's presumed to be factual. These facts may not be correct, and a person who's issued a Notice to Appear does not have to accept these matters as fact and can contest them, and that's very important. This document that says that you are to be removed from the United States does not have to be accepted by you. It is something you can go to court and tell the judge is wrong and why it's wrong. You may indeed be authorized to be in the United States. It's very important to review this document with a lawyer as soon as possible so you can confirm that the facts there are facts you would want to admit, and facts that you don't have a basis in law for debating. The second part of the most important section of the Notice to Appear talks about why the government believes that the individual is removable. And again, these may be because a person, pursuant to regulation or law, overstayed their permitted length of stay here in the United States. It might be because the person committed a crime while they were in the United States and didn't have status, and there are a number of others. Those are just the most common. Again, these are contestable. A person has to be convicted of a certain type of crime before they can be removed from the United States, or perhaps a better way to say it is that there are certain ways to deal with crimes that people have been convicted of. What's more, the person has to have been properly convicted of it. That's actually a very common issue, is the actual nature of conviction and whether the person was really convicted. Also, the overstay documentation has to be correct as it's imposed by the government or stated by the government. So all of these are within a Notice to Appear and should be reviewed by you and your lawyer, and then if there's any difficulty with it, anything that's wrong about it, it should be brought to the judge's attention, and it may even be the basis for some relief for the person. And by relief from a Notice to Appear, relief from charges of the government, what we mean is that the person may be entitled to either stay in the United States, full stop, or maybe there's a benefit or remedy that the person can pursue to have immigration benefits and stay in the United States. These are all things that we want to go through with you as your lawyer. Thank you very much for hearing me out on Notice to Appear, and I'll be back with more news and views on immigration and removal proceedings. Thank you.